Hi, this is Ricky for PreschoolSpeechyPlus.com, and this is Compound Words and Phonological Awareness Activities, and it is a freebie. There are 2-syllable words and 3-syllable compound words. When you get the wrong answer, it'll say incorrect. When you get the right answer, starfish, it'll go to the next page. Remove the answer square and it shows you the answers. Put the stars in the box so you know that you've accomplished the 2 activities. There are the segmentation activity, there's rhyming, there's word deletion, and syllables. Okay, these are the 3-syllable words. Again, this is a freebie. Firefly. Thanks for watching.